Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. So yesterday I gave you homework, but only 2 students completed. Preetham and Rizwan completed homework, but remaining 10 did not complete. What happened to you? You forgot to do homework or you did not understand? Huh? Okay. Just orally I'll explain that remaining sentences. Then I'll go for next topic. Okay. Okay. Listen, students. 12th one, page number 19. Grammar book, page number 19. Open it. Did you open? Okay. 12th sentence. She made a correct choice. She made a correct choice. So what is the abstract noun in this sentence? Come on, send me answers. What is the abstract noun in this sentence? She made a correct choice. So in this sentence, choice, page number 19, ma'am. Okay. In 12th sentence, choice is the abstract noun. 12th sentence, choice. Choice is abstract noun. Okay. And next 13th sentence, make decision properly. So what is the abstract noun in this sentence? Nirma, come on fast. Fast noun. Decision. Very good, Satvik. It's decision. Nothing. Decision. Next, 14th one. We must have belief in God. So what is the abstract noun in this sentence? We must have belief in God. Next sentence, Bhavani. Next sentence, 14th one. Decision. That is correct only. Okay, 14th one. Belief. We must have belief and in God. So here, belief is the abstract noun. Next, do service to all people. Service. Very good. Next, he has enormous strength. He has enormous strength. Okay, very good, Bhavani. It's a strength. Next one. I remember my childhood days. I remember my childhood days. Not enormous. Satvik, try one more time. I remember my childhood days. Very good. It's a childhood. So if you know the answers, why did you write? Its childhood is the abstract noun in this sentence. Next, 18th one. I respect his judgment. I respect his judgment. What is the abstract noun in this sentence? Yes, it's judgment. Next, 19th one. Work for human goodness. Work for human goodness. What is the abstract noun here? Goodness. Very good. service is loyal. His service is loyal. Yes, loyal. So again we have service here, but now it is called verb. It is not abstract noun this time. It is in the place of verb, so we can call it verb. Loyal. Next, show kindness to the poor. Kindness. Very good, Sakshi. 21 is kindness. Infancy is very much attractive. Infancy is the very much attractive. What is abstract on here? Come on, fast. Infancy is very much attractive. Make it fast. Okay. Infancy. Infancy is the abstract noun in this sentence. Infancy. Next, 23. Pray for wisdom. Not attractive more. Infancy. That's very good. Wisdom. Pray for wisdom. In this sentence, wisdom is the abstract noun. Next, 24. She spoke with courage. She spoke with courage. What is the abstract noun? Don't stuck in the previous sentences. Go for next sentence. She spoke with courage. Courage. Okay. "25. That is a noble thought." It's not spoke more. Already I have written that is courage. The next one, thought. His admission is granted. Very good. It's admission. Next, 27. He got ownership certificate of this building. Ownership. Very good. Next, 28. The bravery of the minister is well known. What is the last sentence? The bravery of the minister is well known. What is the abstract noun? Not minister, ma. Bravery. Okay. Write fast. Make it fast, students. If you complete, open page number 20. Shall I erase? Okay. So in grammar book 7th topic, it's collective nouns. Collective nouns. So what is a collective noun? A collective noun refers Selective noun because a group or collection of person, things, person or thing or animal, anything. Okay. A collective noun refers to a group of or collection of things, persons or animals. Okay. So here collective noun is usually considered as one thing and so it is a singular in number. So collective noun means if we collect, for example, we can say a collection of flowers, we can say bouquet of flowers. Okay. We have collected different flowers and we have collected and kept in one place. So a group of flowers. A group of flowers are called bouquet. So it takes only singular verb. We call it singular. Okay. We have collected, but we can call it a singular form. Okay. A group of flowers are called bouquet. So we can call it singular form. It doesn't have plural form. Okay. Look at here examples, and also it takes singular verb. An army. Example of collective noun. An army. So what is an army? A group of soldiers are called an army. A collection of soldiers. A group of soldiers. A group of soldiers. A group of soldiers are called an army. Okay, like that. A group of flowers are called bouquet. A group of flowers. A group of flowers are called. A group of flowers are called bouquet. Okay, and a flock of sheep. We can call it flock. Okay, a flock. A group of sheep are called flock. A group of sheep. Or a group of birds also we can call it flock of birds. Do you understand? Okay. Some examples of collective nouns here I'll write. Okay. Shall I write that? Have you written one? Else I'll write here down. Crowd. Team. A team of players we can call a crowd of people or a team of players. Family. Committee. Okay. Next, staff. Fleet. Class. School. And management. We commonly use this group of collective nouns. Okay. Government. Herd. A herd of cattle we can call a group of cattle are called a herd. Okay. Bouquet. Okay. Next, bunch. A bunch of trees, a bunch of plates. Okay. Next, library. A library of books. Q. A gang of thieves. Cattle. Bundle. A bundle of sticks. Okay. Shall I erase? Shall I erase it? A cluster of stars. Cluster. Next, a pack of owls. A pack of owls. Jury. A jury of awards. Club. Shoal. Shoal of fishes. Fishes. Shoal of fish. So these are called collective nouns. Crowd, team, family, committee, staff, fleet, class, school, management, government, herd, bouquet, bunch, library, queue, gang, cattle, bundle, cluster, pack, jury, club, school. These are all called collective nouns. Okay. Shall I raise more? Make it first. Okay. Next, we have fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Here, two options given. You have to choose correct option to fill that blank. Okay. A dash of keys is lost. Can you say what is the correct answer? A group of keys or a bunch of keys? Very good. It's a bunch of keys. Okay. So the first answer is bunch. A bunch of keys is lost. So here, did you observe that a bunch of keys, even though we have written keys plural form, it took is singular verb. Okay. Next, second one, our dash will play today. Our club will play today, or our team will play today. Team. Very good, Nirma. It's a team. Next, the third one, a long dash is there to buy the cinema ticket. A long team or a long queue. Which is the correct answer? A long team is there or a long queue is there? Queue. Very good. A long queue is there to buy the cinema tickets. A dash of books is great thing. A library of books or a class of books? Yes, it's a library. A library of books. Our dash is having Christmas holidays. Our school or our herd? Our school. Next one. A dash is presented to the chief guest. A bundle is presented or a bouquet is presented. Which is the correct answer? This one, I think you have written wrong spelling here. It's a bundle or bouquet? Yes, very good. It's bouquet. one. A dash of thieves is arrested. A club of thieves or a gang of thieves. A gang of thieves. Okay. Next one. A dash of cattle is in the field. A herd of cattle or a crowd of cattle. Not crowd, we can say for pupil. Crowd we can use for pupil. For animals we have to use herd. A herd of cattle. A herd of cattle. Okay. Next, ninth one. Our dash has 11 members. Our group has 11 members or our team has 11 members. Come on fast. Not group, mom. So wrong answer is one. Yes, it's team. Next, 10th one. A dash is found at the accident place. A crowd or a gang. Crowd. Very good. A crowd is found near the accident place. Indian dash on alert. Indian army or Indian police. Not police is not a collective noun. It's army. Indian army is alert. 12th one. Our dash is demanding pupils' participation. Our government or our team? Yes, our government. Next, 13th one. Our dash is having science fair. Our school or our team? Our school. Next, 14th one. Respect the dash of this institution. Respect the management of the institution or team. Management or team? Nirma, Bhavani. It's management. Very good. Management. Shall I write the board? Next, 15th one. There was dash to meet the film actress. There was crowd or there was gang. It's crowd. Okay. Next, 16th one. Our dash is having a test. Our class or our team? Class. Okay. Next, 17th one. Their dash is working hard. Their team or their club? Their team. Eighteenth one. A dash of cloths is sent. Bundle of cloths or bunch of cloths? Bundle. Next, 19th one. He gave me dash of flowers. Bundle of flowers or bouquet of flowers? Last answer. It's not bundle. He gave me a dash of flowers. Bouquet or bundle? Bouquet. Okay. Bouquet of flowers. Okay, right. Right, fast. Completed. Make it fast. Time is over. completed. Shall I close the class? Okay. Okay, students, I'm going to conclude the class here. Everyone must try this. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you.